Are you struggling with a broken AC in the middle of a Florida heatwave and need immediate relief? Graham Heating and Air Conditioning offers fast, reliable solutions for urgent HVAC problems. When temperatures soar and your cooling system fails, you need a trusted team like ours ready to respond. Our certified technicians provide prompt service to restore comfort quickly and efficiently. Graham Heating and Air Conditioning specializes in emergency HVAC service in Lakeland, Florida, offering 24/7 repairs for sudden breakdowns. We handle everything from compressors to condensate lines, ensuring your system runs safely again. From total system breakdowns to uneven cooling, our experts repair and maintain AC units and heating systems. When an emergency situation arises, you can count on us to provide you with complete HVAC solutions. Serving residential and light commercial clients in Lakeland, our team responds quickly to urgent calls. Our years of experience allow us to guarantee that repairs will be done in a way that does not compromise safety.